Good morning. Happy Saturday to you. You may have noticed in other videos that we acquired this bucket truck. One of the things that pretty rough shape on it is the seat, so we bought a cover for it, and we bought a piece of foam, and hoping to maybe be able to fill in this foam right here and then put the seat cover over it. So that'll be a project we're working on this weekend, and I'm lucky it's the weekend because I got my helper with me, my wife, and so everything goes a lot better when we're working on it together. Okay, we're gonna do some cutting and see how that goes. I think what we need to do here first is get the old seat cover off. Do that. It's got a little bit thicker of an edge on it. Wow, what a mess. We figured out that's the original 1987 seat cover. Okay, that's as clean as we're going to get it. Now we got to figure out how to fit the foam on those two parts. This is what we have so far. Not pretty, as long as it's comfy though. And there's the back that we needed that was kind of divoted out. So like I said, not pretty, but put the seat cover on and see what it looks like. Gotta wait till the glue dries though. Well, working together, we cleaned up a pretty large pile of logs. It's amazing how much better it works with two. I think it's almost, that's probably not true, but almost twice, more than twice as fast. I'm not sure, but it sure feels like it to me.
I agree. Went well. Hope you guys have a great day. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you.